Not all heroes stand on stages. Some stand outside gates. This is one such story. Every morning, before the city fully woke up, a man named Ravi stood near a large school gate. Not inside, always outside. He came on an old cycle. Its chain squeaked, its bell barely worked. His slippers were worn out, his shirt had faded from years of washing in sunlight. He dropped his son Kiran near the gate, smiled at him. Under a tree, in the burning sun, in the rain, sometimes for hours. Every other parent entered the school. Cars stopped at the gate. Well-dressed fathers walked confidently inside. But Ravi? He never crossed the gate, not even once. One day, Kiran looked back and asked softly, "Appa, why don't you come inside like other parents?" Ravi paused. He looked at the huge building, the clean floors, the confident people walking in. Then he smiled, a smile that carried years of struggle. "Because my place is outside today, so that your place can be inside tomorrow." Kiran didn't fully understand then, but Ravi did. Ravi had never studied in a big school. He worked as a daily wage laborer. His hands were rough from hard work. His nights were short. Many days he skipped meals so Kiran wouldn't have to. He waited outside that gate not because he wanted to, but because he believed his sacrifice would open doors for his son. Years passed. Kiran studied hard. Ravi waited silently. No complaints, no speeches, only presence. One special day, the school hall was full. Teachers sat proudly. Parents filled every seat. On the stage stood Kiran, now older, confident and strong. The principal announced, "The student who topped the district." Applause filled the hall. Then came another announcement. "We request the student's parent to join him on stage." Everyone looked towards the audience. Kiran looked for his father. Ravi stood near the back, hesitating. His clothes were still simple, his feet were still dusty, his hands were still rough. He thought, this stage is not for people like me. But Kiran looked straight at him and said firmly into the microphone, "Appa, please come." The hall fell silent. Ravi took one step, then another. With every step, years of waiting followed him. Suddenly, the entire hall stood up and clapped. Not for a rich man, not for status, but for sacrifice. Kiran held the microphone, voice trembling, tears in his eyes. "My father never studied in a big school. He never entered this gate. He stood outside every single day so I could stand here today." Ravi's eyes filled with tears. For the first time, he stood inside, not as a poor man, but as a successful father. Some sacrifices are loud, others are silent. Some heroes stand on stages, others wait outside gates. Never underestimate someone who is struggling today. Their silence may be building someone else's future. We all have a life hero. It could be your father, your mother, or someone who sacrificed for you. Comment below, like the video if this touched your heart, and subscribe for more stories like this.